Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 8. A business in which all the risk of production is borne by one person is known as A. Cooperative society, B. Partnership, C. Private limited company, D. Public limited company, E. Sole proprietorship. So, we are looking at a form of business where all the risks associated with the production is handled or is borne by only one person. So we'll define each of the options given to us and we'll see which one corresponds to this definition we have been given. So a cooperative society is an association of people who come together and invest their savings in order to start up this organization to meet their economic and social needs. So that is a cooperative society. Then a partnership is a form of association formed by agreement of two or more parties that is to handle or manage a business and then distribute its profits, so share profits, to share its profit. Then a private limited company, which is usually represented as LTD, is a type of privately held company in which, or a type of privately operated company which limits the owner's liability, so limits the owner's liability to shares, and the limited number of shareholders is 50 people. So 50 people. Then for a public limited company represented as PLC, it is a limited liability company that offers shares of stock to the general public. And then for sole proprietorship, it is an enterprise run and operated by one person. Now you see that sole proprietorship, which is option E, is a form of business which is operated by one person, and hence all the risk of production is borne by that same person alone. Hence the answer is E, sole proprietorship. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.